Hello everyone, welcome to Toyeen Talks. How you doing? Thank you for watching. Till I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.
tó bá ti express wọ́n ti brainwash yẹn rí wọ́n ti fi tọ́lọ́ gba 1 million lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ you will know what you're talking about. If they deport him to Nigeria, his business has just begun. So let him go into that. Let him go back to Nigeria and meet his cohort. Come better smash it. And to what they body to back body let about 4. Lock it 1 year. God bless you.
Thank you very much, President. Who enjoy submission here. Yes, jẹ́ ká sáré lọ sọ́dọ̀
Lola.
Yes, sir.
Lola. Ẹ jọ sísà tó sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ yẹn. Ẹ ò pé gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń sọ mo enjoy ẹ̀ gan. But influencer ṣe crime on influencer. Is it a crime?
It's not a crime, but negative influence along the way.
Bàbá, kò sí influencer kankan. It's not a crime. Inú mi dùn pé wọ́n sọ pé Tóbi ẹ máa gbọ́ sà.
Àwọn eléyìí ń fún ọmọ wọn báyé wọn jẹ́.
Wọ́n ní aṣọ tó ń lò.
Ọmọ tó 25 kan ò lè. Default lọ máa ní jọ owó tó ní lọ́dúnkọ́ lọ máa gbà ní báńkì.
Loosevot lè kó fún for free. Bàtà tó ń wọ̀ Ferragamo lè kó fún for free kó lọ wọ̀. Rolls Royce tó máa gùn wọ́n lè kó fún. Ṣé ti understand? Ṣé rí society tá a nílé ní òmòye sọ fún yín pé even this social media àti gbogbo àwa a lot of things ni o right ń bẹ. Ṣé understand? Look at this your page now. Thank God your page reach like a 318 today. But if you go to Bitan Yekpa àwọn èèyàn ti máa tán ti ń lọ, there is nothing you can use láti lè fi sọ pé kàn change mẹ́ẹ̀dì wọn kàn wá bí tán ti máa gbóòtọ́ ọ̀rọ̀. Social media nǹkan tó ti kólẹ̀ ti pọ̀ jù. Ṣé ti understand bẹ́ẹ̀ sà? Social media báwọn èèyàn ṣe ń ná owó àwọn people tẹ́ rí yìí wọ́n ti mú gbogbo everybody láti sọ pé lọ ṣe lé. So wọ́n tó bá wà out there don't look at ọ̀rẹ́ mi ra mọ́tò ọ̀rẹ́ mi gẹ aeroplane ọ̀rẹ́ mi gẹ helicopter if you look at it wàá tọwọ́ ẹ̀bọ yọ ṣọ̀bọ̀ o ìgboro ò dáa tó bá wò kọ́ táwọn èèyàn ń tọwọ́ bọ̀ ó lágbára ọmọdé ṣe ń sọ ìkan táwọn èèyàn ń tọwọ́ bọ̀ ń bẹ ní anywhere in the world lágbára gan so kò sí pé bóyá nìkan influence mi ẹnìkan brainwash mi àbí kíní kan influencer is not a crime o ṣọ̀rọ̀ bí page bó ṣe wà lè build ẹ̀ kẹ́yìn gan da influencer fún anybody kẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ máa bá wọn ṣe advert there's nothing wrong about it so kàtẹ́ mi fẹ́ sọ nìyẹn.
Okay, ẹ ṣeun gan, thank you very much, African father. Yes, ẹ jẹ́ ká sáré gbọ́ látọ̀dọ̀ Ọba.
Ẹ kálẹ́ o ẹ̀yin dáàdì wa àti ẹ̀yin mọ́mí wa àti gbogbo etí tó ń gbọ́ wa ní àsìkò yìí. So I'm very grateful for the privilege, but I like the way you give people the way an opportunity to hear their view, even though you might not agree with yours. That is still the beauty of personal opinion. So my own opinion on me as a person, I do not see anything wrong in lifestyle, pastoral view, or all the allegations so far. So, gẹ́gẹ́ bí àwọn nǹkan tí mò ń gbọ́, wọ́n ní ó ń rán àwọn ọmọ kó lọ ṣe báyìí, kó lọ ṣe gbádá, kó lọ ṣàwo. Ẹ̀yin parent tẹ́ fail, ẹ wá ń put failure of your failure on him wípé òun ló jẹ́ káwọn ọmọ yín to turn the way they turn. Now, secondly, is the sense that I see when they say àwọn ọmọ tó ti lọ sẹ́wọ̀n òun ló ń rehabilitate wọn, ó ń set up business fún wọn, ó ń register wọn, ó fún wọn ní second chance. Ó fún wọn ní second chance lórí failure yín as a mother. Yet, you all are coming for him. You talk about lifestyle. In my own opinion, and I'm still saying in my own opinion, Talika òun ló máa ń tojọ́ olówó, no disrespect to any person. Secondly ni wípé thank God wípé deportation ni only fact.
So ta ló lówó tẹ̀ ń tọ́ láti sọ́nsìn? Ta ni olówó, ta ni tálíkà?
Torí ẹ̀ mo sọ pé no disrespect to anybody.
No, I'm just tẹ́ bá kọ́ lè dáhùn yẹn máa appreciate ta ló lówó, ta ni tálíkà.
Reason tí mo yẹ sọ wípé tálíkà ló ń tojọ́ olówó. Everything I have been hearing from people talking from emotion is just about his success.
So ẹ̀rọ kìí ọmọ tó so ẹ̀yin rò pé ọmọ tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ tálíkà ni wọ́n.
Àwa ni tálíkà. Ẹ wá bíbá ẹ wá bú everybody. Àwa ni tálíkà.
Mo ní
No.
no
You have not been listening well.
I put it
You have not been listening well. You have not been listening well. Nobody is talking about his success.
Ẹ gbọ́ opinion mi, mo farabalẹ̀ gbọ́ tí yín. You may not agree.
Ṣé success lélẹ̀? Ṣé success lélẹ̀? Gbogbo àwọn fake affluence tó ń flash kákàkiri. That's not a success. If that's your own definition of success, I think you don't know what you're talking
Mo
about.
máa appreciate kẹ́ respect pé definition tèmi nìyẹn. Let me own up to that.
Yeah, but this is brainwashing. You know, statement is absolutely unacceptable. Mo fẹ́ yẹ kọ́ wọn yẹn máa gbọ́rọ̀ wọn kọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ máa ràn pẹ̀lú ẹ̀. That's a very very
ẹ fẹ́ káwọn èèyàn gbọ́ opinion tí yín, ẹ fẹ́ kọ́ gbọ́ contrary
Wait,
opinion.
Lola, let him finish, and then
Exactly.
we will now
Let's have a
ask
civil
him
conversation.
questions. Let him finish. Let him finish.
Now, thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. Now, secondly, is the fact that there was an allegation that he's being deported for fraud of about 1.87 million pounds. Thank God wípé civilized country ní gbogbo wa wà. Thank God pé èèyàn bá ṣe 1.7 million pound fraud. Kí ni òfin Western world? Has he been indicted? Did he go to jail? Kó tó lè deport èèyàn.
It's not fraud, mind you, misappropriation. If you go and read it well.
Mr. Jack, ẹ má fẹ́ emotion sọ. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n láàyè.
Misappropriation.
Misappropriation. Okay, èèyàn misappropriate owó, ó mì wípé ó kówó jẹ. Ó jí owó church, ìkọ̀kan náà ni. And there is at least any fraud that is over 5,000, there is a law against it. How much more 1.87 million pound? Ó sì jẹ́ deportation ní the next thing tí wọ́n sọ. Ṣé wọ́n seize asset yẹ? Ṣó tiẹ̀ ṣẹ̀wọ̀n ọjọ́ kan? And you think Hush Puppy, for instance, tó jẹ́ wípé owó Amẹ́ríkà gbọ́dọ̀
ẹ jọ̀ọ́ o Mr. Ọba, ṣé tí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá violate immigration rules ìlú yìí, ṣé wọn ò ní dá yín padà?
wọ́n máa dá mi
Bí
padà.
life tó live ṣe ẹni sùúrù life tí bọ̀bọ̀ yìí
Mo ti
live
bá
ẹni
ṣe
sùúrù
àwọn crime
life tí bọ̀bọ̀ yìí live ṣe lẹ́ máa rò bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé ó ti ní padìṣá.
That's not what you
Life
say.
tó live
lè
ẹ máa
sọ
rò bẹ́ẹ̀
fún
bó ní
yàn bá ṣe máa live life ẹ̀.
No, once you guys
lè sọ fún mi bí máa ṣe live life tèmi.
ó fi ẹ̀ náà. Báwo ni ẹ ṣe máa jí owó tẹ̀lé máa deport tẹ̀lé ìjókòó jìyà fún?
Yeah, exactly. Ọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń ṣẹ̀wọ̀n lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí fún crime tó commit kò tiẹ̀ sí ní American soil.
Ẹ jẹ́ kó ṣẹ̀wọ̀n ẹ̀
Wọ́n extradite ẹ̀. Kí ló dé tí wọn ò ṣe sọ wípé
wọ́n ní Pastor Tobi kí owó wọn ló misappropriate ẹ̀ ni.
Hush Puppy ó ní ìwé ìgbélù.
Hush Puppy jí owó ni ìyẹn ó scam àwọn èèyàn yẹn yàtọ̀.
Emotion lẹ fi ń sọ̀rọ̀. Téèyàn bá níbi ìgbélú kúrò lémi ò ṣe kúrò láyé. Sókè owó tó wà misappropriate yẹn wọ́n wá sílẹ̀ kó máa kó lọ Nàìjíríà.
Round up. Èmi ti note 3 things tó béèrè.
Ẹ ṣe fi jófin tó bá jẹ́ pé lóòótọ́ kò sí nǹkan tó rọ̀ǹgì nínú deportation. Tó bá jẹ́ pé lóòótọ́ is crime. Is more than not having a status in the UK. There's nothing wrong about that. Wọn ò ṣe fi jófin. Mr. Jack, ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀ based on this immigration issue. That is okay. But wọ́n sọ wípé ọwọ́ ẹ̀ mọ́ wọ́n ní ṣe kíkọ́ wọ́n fa àwọn èèyàn gba credit card ó ń ṣe fraud gẹ́gẹ́ bí nǹkan tẹ́ sọ wípé ó kó àwọn èèyàn sínú yàrá ó lọ fi wọ́n ṣe dán.
UK ò ń ṣe even Nigeria gan EFCC ń bust èèyàn mọ́lé tó máa rí evidence. Ó ṣe jẹ́ pé gbogbo article tó ti ń ṣẹlẹ̀ láti ìjọ the only thing tó lè conclude ni wípé wàá máa lọlé. It is because
so what is your point? Is that your point?
My point is that stay on the topic. He does not have status in the UK, does not mean he is fraudulent.
Okay. Can we now respond to your propositions? Can we respond now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Lola, please permit me to, respond. Do I have permission to respond? Yeah. So the first thing you said is, I will go from the back. Deportation of a law, right? If I may ask you, where are you speaking from?
Speaking from Canada.
Are you sure about that?
Absolutely.
How long have you stayed in Canada?
I've been in Canada for over 8 years.
8 years. Okay. JJC, and I'll tell you why I'm saying this. And I can see that in the way you're talking as well. When you have been
Yes, we should get this.
Madam,
Sarah Boche wà ní America ní 100 years. Ẹ tó bá dé US ó lè smart jù yín. Forget about JJC.
It's not about being
smartness. Come on, so you got it. Smart. What is smartness? Okay, give me smart.
Jack,
you are defrauding people in a way and it's always smart. Is that smart?
It's not even about being smart.
What evidence do you have that is fraudulent?
Hold on. Oh, you asked a question and I'm answering you. And the reason why I asked you about the time you've spent abroad, away from Nigerian mentality and ways of doing things. Oh no, Taban Sokwe, into Nigeria and Dale, you get a CB. You see, Nigeria is the only place that people will publicly come and start telling you what is supposedly wrong can be made to look right just because there is no evidence. And this is one of those things. Wait,
you only law that can substantiate any wrong thing. Something can be wrong in your eye. It might not be wrong in the eye of the law. So let's not talk with emotion.
Let's take it from there.
The law.
I'm talking from
above all of us. So talk from the angle of law.
I am talking from the inner cell of law right now. Maybe you missed my submission earlier. The fact that they did not have enough physical evidence, but substantial evidence to tie Toby to those fraudulent acts, which 6 other young people are right now in detention for, does not mean he's not guilty of it.
So, how is he now guilty in your eye? When the law cannot say he's guilty, but look in the court of the street, in the emotion of Nigeria,
no. Listen, he is guilty, but he has not been prosecuted for it. So they said that.
Sarah,
let me finish.
Why Joshua was guilty of offense of other person?
No.
Why Joshua was guilty?
Listen, because our listen so back finish and sin, but because we are not going to his point, you are not coming back with other things. Listen, if you say why he has been said that his management, listen to that. His management has been found guilty of misappropriation. In the UK and the rest of the Western world, the laws are divided. There is the law that does and has provisions for fraud and financial crimes. There is the law that deals with immigration crimes. And in this situation, if his name as him, don't forget that. Koniwe. So that means in every of these church papers, Tiwari and the management itself, Toby is not a signatory. But does that mean he's not the head of the church? Or is he not the head of the church? So when somebody is now smart enough to leave paper trail, And you are now coming to say, because we are in the Western world. So you are trying to say they don't know what they are saying or what?
Madam,
He is not leaving
your
any
allegation.
paper trail. There's no emotions
So
here.
if
It's
you
not
don't
my
leave
family
paper
is
trail,
anything.
if you don't leave paper trail, but yet you are telling him that Owambe say based on your own.
Listen, okay. Is it the end? Is it the end?
Hold on,
Is it the end?
the immigration status.
Is it the end of the stagnation?
Does that make any sense?
Is it the end of the stagnation?
Yes.
Yes, it is.
Even now, ẹ jẹ́ kí tí wàá sọ fún
No, máa ti sọ kankan o. Question mẹ́ta ló bèrè, má dẹ̀ dá.
The fact that he was an illegal immigrant.
Wait now,
Any other offences.
is it the end
Because it's illegal.
of the stagnation? Yes or no?
Now, to answer your question, it can be and it may not be.
Hey.
Let me answer your question.
So now it's no longer the
You may
end
own
of
a
stagnation.
company. Listen, madam, you may have a company and you don't know how to run it. We have seen a lot of rich family that I want to do business. Hold on, let me respond. I want to do business here, but somebody else is the celebrity face of that business. He can be an employee of the Did you see the
wait?
Did you see the certificate of incorporation?
Hold on.
You don't see
Oba,
it.
hold on. You see, this is why I called it a JJC. You will know that every business in the UK or anywhere else, you can go and find the details of the people on the board. I have done that. His name is not there. The name of his wife is not there. But it's the one that is standing on the pulpit every Sunday and is talking and
because
is leading
because he was employed.
Now you are lying again. He's not employed anywhere.
I am responding to what you said. If his name is not there, listen,
but he's not employed. He is not employed. I'm telling you, he's not employed.
Maybe he's employed by the UK government.
Property. Only business. But crime wá ṣẹlẹ̀ kan sìn ẹ wá sọ pé àwọn ẹlòmíì ló máa ń sà fún crime ẹ̀ ó smart kò wà logical no disrespect.
Òun ló ń sà fún crime títí ẹ̀ náà. Wọ́n ní position order. Illegal immigrant. That is not a crime. Tó lè ta ẹ̀ wọ́n àìmúlẹ̀.
It is not a jail.
Okay, Ọba, ẹ jẹ́ ká sáré fún Ọba ní.
Mr. Alalajo, 1 minute, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ sir. Ọba, Sherry, all this Western country, UK, yẹn, nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ kọ́ yín UK máa gbé síta fún yín. You talk about the money laundering. Why ta ṣe jẹ́lẹ̀ kí lorúkọ ẹ̀ James Ibori nígbà tó mọ̀ pé tán evidence kò ṣe money laundering. Why ta ṣe jẹ́lẹ̀ Eperemedu nígbà tó mọ̀ pé evidence.
Because the evidence is in their name.
Hold on. Why can't you jail? Hold on, madam. Why can't you jail? Why can't you jail this man if you have proper evidence against him?
But why then?
Bá ti lè ní proof ó ti ṣọ̀gá
If you don't have the proof, ó ti ṣọ̀gá kò sí kata fẹ́ ṣe.
The only thing they have against him is does not have purpose.
Hello.
What they say,
I think Oba, I'm afraid you're complicit to.
Look at the adjective you use.
Very complicit, and I think it's very sad. We are trying to sanitize our
community.
You know,
Can
I just continue like this?
Let the first sanitize society here.
No, we can't continue like this. You cannot sanitize society. It's just too much. It's too much. It's not affecting you, affect away. Please, it's unacceptable. Any small thing, they'll start calling on Nigerians.
Sorry,
this is terrible. We need to call a spade a spade. Can I chip in something?
Dodgy,
after Walexi. 3 minutes. Walexi, carry on, sir.
All right. Sherry, we are getting something wrong. He came into the country 2005. Then we applied leave to remain on family basis in 2019. Ọ̀nà tí ò bá wù kó gbà apply bóyá ó lọ́mọ because mo mọ̀ pé ó máa ní àwọn ọmọ British ẹ ní sùúrù láti ẹ gbọ́ mi dáadáa ẹ jẹ́ kí n land so mo mọ̀ pé ó máa láwọn ọmọ British and then 14 years interval
on question, and he was granted leave to remain because he went to Nigeria, I think 2 years ago. So definitely only is legal in the status, but he was one time an illegal immigrant. Then he regularized his stay. Then by leave to, though they denied him of indefinite leave to remain, which is permanent residency in the UK, because of one criminal record. If to bá permanent residency, they will do disclosure checks on you. Orúkọ anything gbogbo nǹkan tó bá ti ṣe, is that tó bá ní pending case ni o, maybe you have pending investigation or something with the police or something, you get me? Ó máa pop up. So that was the reason why Home Office denied him. Then he appealed, and then ó dẹ̀ lose. Ẹ bá wò ó inú news tó jáde yìí ó ń pé appeal wípé ó lose appeal. So definitely all lose appeal, and then to lose appeal, so definitely your application was not granted, your appeal was not granted, they have to deport you. Èmi ò sọ pé bóyá ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tó ṣẹ̀ nítorí ẹ fẹ́ deport ẹ̀, but nǹkan tí mò ń sọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí ni wípé n tí ò da èmi ò tako luxury o. Àwa ọmọ Nàìjíríà a ní 0.5% nínú owó tí àwọn Indians, àwọn Pakistanis tó ní. Rishi Sunak, the former prime minister, do you know how rich that guy is?
Ṣé wọ́n flash yẹ? Wọ́n flash yẹ.
Èmi ò tako luxury, ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan tẹ́mi tako ni pé UK tó lè fẹ́ separate family, á jẹ́ wípé it is at the detriment of other people's life. There was a girl, that girl is a British, she went to Afghanistan with his boyfriend. No, sorry, she went to Syria with his boyfriend at the age of 16 years old. Girl yẹn nígbà tí ogun tán, wọn ò jẹ́ kó wọlé mọ́, wọ́n sọ wípé he is a threat to the country. So anything tó bá ti lè bá yé àwọn yòókù jẹ́, a lè torí pé Pastor Tobi àfẹ́ ìyá pẹ̀lú family ẹ̀, a lè torí pé ó lọ́mọ British, a lè torí pé ó níyàwó British, ká fi bá yé àwọn ọmọ tó ń bọ̀ jẹ́. Tó bá wùyàwó ẹ̀ kọjọ lọ Nàìjíríà tọ́mú ẹ̀, kí UK tó lè, there is something in human rights article 8, òfin yẹn ó lágbára gan, wọn fẹ́ separate family, but tó bá ti jẹ́ pé kìíní you being in the country is a threat to the peace, or is a threat to the lives of citizens, then definitely they have to remove you. So that is what they are doing. Èmi ò sọ pé ó ṣe o kò ṣe o, in tó ń ṣe ò dáa, is fraudulent. Everybody ló mọ̀, gbogbo wọn yẹn ṣé iṣẹ́ tó kí ni iṣẹ́ apá wọn tó fi ń live flamboyant life tó ń live yẹn. Fine, it might be a business guru, fine, it might be a crypto person, fine, kò sẹ́ni tó ń takò tó ń ṣe, ṣùgbọ́n ìlú tá a wà yìí, òfin article 8 kò yẹ kí kí máa ní ohun ìlú tó upload human rights jù. UK wà ń bẹ, bí kò bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọn ní máa fún overstayer kankan níwèé, wọ́n dẹ̀ tún fún wa nìyẹn. Bọ́ àlè torí pé Pastor Tobi o kọ́ máa gbé lọlé o, tó bá gbé lọlé o, ó lọ́mọ ń bí ó níyàwó bí káwá end ń jà láìfà àwọn ọmọ tó kù. Ẹ wo àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ tó ti kó sí gbèsè náà. Ṣé rí financial mistake téèyàn bá ṣe láyé yìí, pẹ́ńsù tó kéré jù àwọn ọmọ tó ti bọ́ sọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ wọ́n nílé gbàmọ́ nílùú yìí, wọ́n lè gbà mortgage, wọ́n lè lọ gbà mọ́tò on credit, phone contract wọ́n ní rí mọ́, because wọ́n ti yá owó, wọ́n ti default. Ẹ wo life àwọn ọmọ at young age 18, 20, táwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọdé ti máa 65, 67 sínú ìlú yìí. Ẹ̀yin náà ẹ jẹ́ ká wo, ẹ má jẹ́ ká wà sentimental, ẹ má jẹ́ ká bú àwọn òbí. Ṣé rí Ọlọ́run ló ń báyàn wo ọmọ nílùú yìí.